Welcome back, everyone. Today we have something for all you Silverado Classic lovers out there. This is the 5.3 liter high output L33 engine. Now, this engine is able to boast an all aluminum block as well as all aluminum heads, as opposed to its LM7 counterpart, which was only able to offer a cast iron block with aluminum heads. This engine also has its very own camshaft that is not shared with or can be found in any other applications, and the use of this special camshaft gives the L33 the advantage of about 25 to 35 more horsepower than its counterparts. Now, it is important to remember this engine is only found in the model year 2005 to 2007 VIN B GM 1500 series applications, such as your Sierra and your Silverado Classic. Here at Powertrain Products, we offer this engine as a long block, so it will have your block, heads, timing components, oil pump, and gasket set to install. It will be backed with our 5-year million-mile promise warranty as well. You can reach your drivetrain genius at 888-842-0023 to claim yours today.